This is about Nel Holdings Limited. It is another penny stock. So in this, one promoter has sold the shares and another promoter has bought entire shares. So this was the update. From the time of the update, the stock has increased by almost 100%, more than 100%. Still there are only buyers, there are no sellers. So this is the letter submitted to the Bombay Stock Exchange. So it is trading only in Bombay Stock Exchange. See, annexure 2. So in this main company, parent company is Nel Holdings Limited. So promoter, so Nitesh Industries Private Limited, this has sold the shares. So 9% stake has sold by Nitesh Industries Private Limited. See, before sale 9% stake, after sale if you see nil. So the same 9% was bought by Nitesh Sethi, another promoter. See, his shareholding is 35% before the acquisition of that 9%. So you see this. So after acquisition of this 9%, total stake is see here 44.81%. So I will show the live market. So this is the live market. There are only buyers. Today also there is 4.9% upper circuit. So I think today there was buying opportunity. See, 52-week low is 0.60. When it was trading around see here, when was this update? This update has been sent to the stock exchange on June 13, this month only. See, on June 13 how much was the stock? 6th 13. Take one or 2 days. So this first week of June, it is I think around 0.7 or 0.75 something. Yeah. So after this update, it is increasing continuously upper circuit. In between there was fluctuation. From past few sessions, continuously upper circuit. Anyway, if you have money, invest it. Otherwise, wait for some time, and you may go for investment of at least 1000 shares. This kind of things will give like this even Alok Industries in the earlier video. So it is continuously going for upper circuit. See here, only promoter has bought, not outsider. So carefully observe this. If you get buying opportunity, just buy 1000 shares and keep it for 1 year. Don't touch it for 1 year. This may become another multi-bagger. So it is Bangalore based company. So there are no sellers, only buyers. So you may get buying opportunity just like morning. So opened with 1.65 and it is went down to 1.65. Then again only buyers. So observe this for few days, or you can add to your watch list.